Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore creative interior design ideas. In this video, we are diving into the world of headboard wall designs to transform your bedroom into a stylish heaven. Whether you are looking for a modern, rustic, or luxurious look, we have got you covered with a variety of headboard wall design inspirations. From DIY project to professional installations, we will showcase you step by step how to create a focal point that will redefine your bedroom aesthetic. Get ready to be inspired and learn how to elevate your bedroom decor with these beautiful headboard wall design ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design inspiration. I hope you like this beautiful collection. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.